In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes in Shopify. We'll go step by step, starting from your Shopify admin dashboard. And by the end, you'll know how to make sure your products are correctly set to charge tax and how to configure tax rates for the regions you sell to. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Products. This will open a list of all the items in your store. Choose one product to start with and click on it to open the product editor. Inside the product editor, scroll down until you find the pricing area. If your product doesn't have variants, you'll see a price section or a price card right there. If your product does have variants, scroll to the variants section instead. Click on one variant to open the variants editor, and then look for the price section for that specific variant. In the price section, you should see an option related to charging tax, usually a checkbox or a toggle that says something like charge tax on this product or charge tax on this variant. Click that option and make sure the box is checked. This tells Shopify that this item should have tax applied at checkout. Once you've enabled that, go to the top of the screen and click Save, usually found near the search bar. It's important to save after each round of changes so nothing is lost. Repeat the same process for every other product or variant that you want to charge tax on. Go through your catalog carefully to be sure all taxable items are correctly set. Next, let's configure your tax rates. From the lower left corner of your admin, click on Settings. Inside the Settings page, look at the menu on the left and click on Taxes and Duties. This is where Shopify manages the tax rules for your store. You'll see a section called Tax Regions. Here, select the country or region you want to set up taxes for. When you open that region, you may notice that a default tax is already configured for the entire country or area. You can keep this as is or adjust it based on your requirements and local rules. Below that, you'll see a list of provinces, states, or sub-regions. For each one, you can enter specific tax values and decide how those taxes interact with the main federal or countrywide tax. You can set them to be added on top of the existing federal tax, to replace the federal tax, or to be compounded on top of it, depending on how taxes are structured in that region. After you've adjusted the values and options, click Save at the top again. Then repeat this process for all the other countries or regions where you sell or ship products, making sure each one reflects the correct tax setup. That's the complete process for setting up taxes in Shopify, enabling tax on your products, and configuring tax regions so your checkout calculates everything accurately.